How to delete page number from first page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and you can see I have documents and some page numbers here. You can see in my case the page number start from page number first page number. Okay, so if you want to remove the number from first number page, and if you want to start numbering from page number 2, you can easily do this. What you need to do, first just remove that page numbers. If you click on it, just untick this checkbox and just remove that number, and all number will be removed like this. Okay, now what you need to do, go to the insert, go to the page number, and you have to select this option, which is this format for it will be start the page numbering from page number 2. You can see the page number start from page number 2 from 1. Okay, what you can see on first page number, you can see the 0. If you want to remove it, just tick mark on this, enable this option, and just delete it. Okay, if you enable this option, just double click on header, then it will be enabled. Okay, when you click on that option, then it will be make different from rest header. So when you delete or edit anything in header, it won't apply to the other headers, other page headers, you can see. But if you want to, if you untick this option, and if you make any edit here, it will be apply on other headers, you can see. Okay, so you need to just click mark on it and delete that page number, then it won't apply, and the page number start with page from page number 2. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.